Okay, my friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this Dashcam. Has a lot of cool features in here. 3-inch IPS display, 6 infrared light LED, super night vision, G sensor, loop recording, motion detection, 24-hour parking monitor, a whole bunch of different things. I think if you need the 24-hour parking monitor, it has to be hardwired to your battery, so you need a kit for that. Has this little cleaning cloth there. A warranty registration, our instructions right there on the top. Okay. Here we have the Dashcam right there. And there's the back screen. It has a bunch of features on the side. There's our port for our card. And we plug it in. So pretty small and compact there. See what else we have here. So this also features a rear camera, which can be kind of hooked up so it works like a backup cam. All right, so we have USB little cable there. Here we have these little tool. Basically helps you to push your wires up underneath your dash and things like that, so it keeps it hidden. Here's our wire. I'm going to be installing this in my truck so we can check it out. And I like how this just comes with a suction cup here. Some dash cams I've installed, you have to has this super sticky thing on there. You got to stick it on there, and it can, I don't know. I guess it works pretty good, but I like the suction cup better. That way you can easily remove it if you need to. And here we have the rear dash cam here. Not rear dash cam, the rear cam. And this can go, I think it attaches to your rear license plate. I'm not sure if this will reach for my truck, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And then it has this little attachment for that as well. Okay, so let's go get this installed, shall we? All right, first thing first, just put this on the window and then turn this, and it tightens it on there real good. I like that it's the suction cup there. So then we're going to run our wire. So we'll install the camera on here real quick. You just slide the camera onto the little end there, right there, and push it over. So we're gonna do that real quick. Well, first thing I'm gonna do is plug my USB in right here and then push my wires in. And just kind of work them around. And I'm gonna just underneath and then come up here on the side, run them up here, up to here, and then up underneath here, and then come out there at the top. So I like to start here, then that way I know I have enough cord. So then I'm just gonna keep going around here. Okay, so worked around the dash here, and now underneath, and just kind of feed it around here, and get over my other side here. Okay, so ran it through there, then we got up underneath there, and then we came out right here. I'm just gonna go in behind this right here up to the top real quick. And this is super easy to do. This is not difficult. You just kind of push it in there and work your way up. So just like this, worked our way up, and then it's as easy as just kind of sliding your finger right up there as we go, right to there. And I'm just gonna work my way around this seam right here and then along the top. Well, we got it installed. Unfortunately, I can't do the rear view one. It won't go all the way to the back of my truck. But I think I can tuck it in to just the top ceiling right there, and it'll give me a view of the back, I think. So I'm gonna try that and just run it around the top there and see how that's gonna work. Both my windows are tinted though in the back, and I have a camper on there. If that one wasn't tinted, it'd probably show up pretty good. But be that as it may, I think it's gonna look all right. We'll check out the video here. I'm gonna drive around and see how it looks.